Good afternoon, all Biafrans all over the world and all lovers of freedom, the friends of Biafra, anywhere you are in the world, I bring you greetings. My name is Emeka Sri. I'm talking from Enugu. I want to address some issues pertaining to the Biafran struggle. I represent the IPOB customary government under the Supreme Council of Elders. That is the Elders IPOB, the IPOB of the Elders. That's the original IPOB, the beginning of the IPOB, the foundation. So I'm making this emphasis because there's confusion and I want to clear that confusion. Whenever you hear me talking about IPOB, I'm talking about the original IPOB. That is